Hello friends, in today's video I will show you how we can convert our text into speech, okay, using the OpenAI model, okay. And in my previous video I show you how we can get our text response, okay. So that was a conversation API. We can generate text using this text generation, okay. And today we will see text to speech, okay. So you should know some basics thing like how to install OpenAI library and how to get API key. So if you don't know how to do these two things, then you can see my previous video. Link is in the description and you can also see in the upper right section, okay. And if you go through this introduction, then you can see what it is telling about text to speech API, okay. Here is a quick start and we can use this code to generate our response, okay. Remember that this response is in bytes format, okay. It is returning it in bytes format, so this is not an audio format or anything. We have to save it as an audio, okay. And I will show you how we can do this, okay. And here are some accents that OpenAI are providing us. Let me show you.
The sun rises in the east and sets in the west.
Okay, this is Alloy.
The library is a quiet and peaceful place.
Okay, and we can pass this accents as an argument in our code. If I go in the bottom, then you can see streaming real-time audio, okay. So what this code does, that it gets the text, okay, and continuously return the response which has been generated, okay. So it is a continuous real-time audio response, okay. It will return it in bytes format, okay. So you can, if you want to generate real-time audio, then you can use this code also in your web applications or mobile applications also, okay. So let me start from here, okay. And make sure you have installed the OpenAI. Okay, I run this code. After that I will use this line, okay. And then I will pass here API key, okay. Okay, and before that I have to import it. So let me show you. I have a file API underscore key where I have my API key, okay. From API key import GPT API key, okay. So I will pass it here GPT API key, okay. Let me run this code. Okay, perfect, it is working fine, okay. And if I go here, then I can run this code, and here I can paste it, and I will change the input, okay. So we are making a video to show how to use OpenAI text to speech API, okay. Let me run it. Okay, perfect, it is working fine. And if I print response, okay, then you will see an OpenAI object, okay, and it is type of HTTPS binary response content, okay. So as I say you, this is a binary response. Now we will save it, and in this documentation we will see stream to file is here to save the file. We will check what it is doing and what it is not doing here, okay. Give me a minute and you will see that this method stream to file has been deprecated, okay. You can see deprecation warning. This method has a bug, and due to this they have converted it with streaming response dot method, okay. I've checked lots of things and this method is also not working, and I've not found this thing. So anyways, this is a bytes response, so we can save it using Python, okay. So we don't have to do this. What I will do, I will write file name, okay. So we will get a get it a file name which will be output dot or my voice.mp3. Okay, and we will open a file name. Okay, and then I will pass W for read and B for byte. Okay, so W will read the response as a string. Okay, but we have to pass B because this is in bytes format. Okay, so WB and as file, and after that I will do file dot write. Okay, and response dot read. Okay, so it will read all the response and save it in the file. Let me run the code. Okay, the code has been run successfully, and here you can see my voice.mp3. Okay, let me see this in my. Okay, let me run this.
We are making a video to show how to use OpenAI text-to-speech API. We are making a video to show how to use OpenAI text-to-speech API.
Okay, you can see how it is working. Okay, let me do another thing. Instead of alloy, I will pass fable, so it should change its voice. Okay, now we will run it again. Okay, so it should replace with the voice.
We are making a video to show how to use OpenAI text-to-speech API. We are making a video to show how to use
Okay, I hope you will find this useful. If you find it useful, then subscribe to my channel. Okay, and like this video. And if you want more on these topics, then let me know in the comment section. Thank you.